Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable camera on Snapchat using your iPhone or iPad, okay? So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Snapchat app. So here, as you can see, Snapchat is a camera app. To continue, you'll need to allow camera access in settings. So just go ahead and click open settings. And then here you can see the camera option. And then just go ahead and toggle that switch on. And then just go back to Snapchat. And then as you can see, you can now use your camera. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.